my name is Kristen. I am currently 28 weeks pregnant, and I'm coming in to get I'm coming in because I have some hip pain and lower back pain, so I'm looking to get adjusted by Dr. Schrier.
Great. And did you know that chiropractic was safe during pregnancy, or how did you know to come in?
I started watching some YouTube videos my husband sent me, so I felt more comfortable with it, and then I started researching it, and then I saw that you advertised it a lot more, so then I started to go with you.
Okay, great. Awesome. So stand up for a second, or actually have a seat right here facing that way. We're going to do like a thermal nerve test.
But even before being pregnant, Kristen's been our patient like over a year now.
Yes.
This measures temperature swings in the body to show if there's inflammation going on. So there's some inflammation in the neck and the mid back there. So you can stand up for a second. This table is designed for taking care of pregnant patients. So this goes up so the belly can go in here. So you can lie face down. Perfect. A lot of pregnant patients say that this is the only time that they can lie face down is when they're on this table. It feels great, right?
Mm-hmm.
Take a deep breath in, all the way out. Okay. Good. There. Perfect. You can stay right there. This part of the table is going to come up. This up and down with this. Good, and you can come up all the way. And you stand up for a second. Perfect. Did that feel good so far?
Yeah.
And you can lie on your side right here, facing this way. Good. That. Good. Little pressure here. Okay, perfect. The other side. Just like this. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. And you can lie on your back there, facing the ceiling. Right there. Does that feel good so far?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, all those adjustments are gentle and safe. Also going to check the ligaments right here. Sometimes the round ligament can get tight and prevent the baby from being in the right position.
Yeah.
Right there, right? So just holding this in a certain spot will relax the ligament, let the baby get in the right position. Sometimes if the baby is in a breech position, relaxing these ligaments will help the baby get turn and go into the right position.
I did see that for people who are having difficulty with the baby being in a certain position for labor, they come to the chiropractor.
Yeah, the baby can turn.
Yeah.
It's called the Webster technique. Okay, perfect. All right, you can come on up. Does that feel good?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Good.
Let's do your nerve scan again. Have a seat facing that way. That's okay. Bend your head down. Years before. Here's after. There's still some stress in there.
Mhm.
What we're looking for is change, and over the next couple hours, the next couple of days, the inflammation is going to come down. You're going to be feeling better and better.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Welcome.